Students, today we will study the following topics: gravity, acceleration due to gravity, expression for acceleration due to gravity, and equation of motion under free force of third chapter of physics, gravitations. Let us start with the first topic, gravity. We have learned in earlier classes about gravitational force. What is gravitational force? The force applied between two bodies due to their masses is called gravitational force. And the force applied by Earth toward its center is called gravity. So, we can define gravity as the gravitational force is applied by Earth toward its center is called gravity. Let us take the second topic, acceleration due to gravity. What is acceleration due to gravity? We know that acceleration means rate of change of velocity. What is acceleration due to gravity? The acceleration produced in a body when it freely falls toward the surface of Earth. That is called acceleration due to gravity. So we can define acceleration due to gravity as the acceleration produced in body due to gravitational force when it freely fall. The acceleration produced in body when it freely fall under the gravitational force of the Earth. How can we obtain the expressions for acceleration due to gravity? Acceleration due to gravity is denoted by g, and it is a vector quantity. We can obtain acceleration due to gravity by following formula. Let us take, this is Earth and a body is at the surface of Earth which mass is m and the radius of Earth is r. Then the expression for gravitational force applied by Earth to the body is written as F is equal to G m E m by r square, where capital G is the gravitational constant and me mass of the Earth and m is the mass of the body. And according to Newton's second law of motion, we can write as F is equal to ma, where mg, where m is the mass of the body and g is the acceleration produced in body, acceleration due to gravity. So from equation 1 and 2 we can obtain the next formula as GME m by r squared is equal to mg. When we equate equation 1 and 2, we can obtain this formula. M is cancelled by m, so we obtain the formula of G. G is equal to GME by r squared, where G is gravitational constant and the value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So now we obtain the formula of acceleration due to gravity. G is equal to GME by r square. Now we find the value of G, acceleration due to gravity, the value of G on the surface of Earth. The value of capital G, gravitational constant, is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. And mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and the radius of earth is about 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. So after solving these values, we obtain the value of G is 9.8 meter per second square. So the value of G at the surface, on the surface of earth, is 9.8 meter per second square. The value of G is decreases with increase in height, means when we go above the surface of earth, the value of G decreases. The value of G is also decreases when we go under the surface of earth, means when when depth increases, then value of G is also decreases. Now, what is difference between capital G and small g? Here small g means acceleration due to gravity and capital G means universal gravitational constant. So first difference is acceleration due to gravity is produced in a body, it is acceleration produced in a body in free fall due to the gravitational force of the earth. Means acceleration produced in a body due to the earth gravitational force is called acceleration due to gravity. It is small g, and capital G is universal gravitational constant. Second difference is the value of G varies from place to place on the earth. Means the value of G is not constant on the all places. The value of G, small g, is maximum at pole and it is minimum on equator. But the value of capital G, universal gravitational constant, does not change under any condition. Means its value is same at every place in the universe. The value of small g can be 0, means it may be 0 when a body freely falls. It may be 0, means when at the surface of at the center of the earth, the value of G is 0. But the value of G, capital G, cannot be 0. The mean value of G on the surface of earth is 9.8 meter per second square, and the value of capital G is 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So here is the difference between the small g and capital G.